performance of supersonic fighter. State-of-the-art avionics. Multi-role. Now, your air becomes much stronger. Fighting Eagle FA-50. T-50 Golden Eagle, the optimal advanced jet trainer to train 21st century fighter pilots. Based on T-50, KAI has developed aerobatic T-50B and lead-in fighter trainer TA-50. FA-50 is a powerful multi-purpose combat aircraft born from extending the tactic capability of TA-50. FA-50 has maximum power of 17,700 pounds and maximum takeoff weight of 27,300 pounds with its GEF 404-102 engine and its full length of 43.1 feet, full width 31 feet, full height 15.9 feet, and wing area 255 square feet. FA-50, based on T-50, is capable of loading armament and radar to enhance the combat capability. And it's an advanced jet trainer optimized for training the next generation fighter pilots. Capable of simultaneous tracking of 2 targets and has wide detection area with its high-resolution map application. And it also has excellent air-to-ground attack capability. It has excellent viability with installed radar warning receiver and countermeasures dispenser system that are applied to the cutting-edge fighter. By sharing a real-time battlefield information with Air and Army forces with its tactics data link capability, close joint operation capability, and mission success rate are very high. With its night vision equipment, it enhanced night tactics attack mission capability. It has precise and threatening offense power to burn enemy aircraft